The time me and my new GF, now wife, almost drowned. This happened about 11 years ago and gives me chills whenever I think about it. When I was in my late 20s, I had freedom to do whatever as far as traveling, etc., as I was financially well off and only worked 3 to 4 months out the year. Met a girl, and we clicked really well. 1 month into dating, I decided to take her on a 2-week trip with me to Vegas and California. The first 10 days of the trip were amazing, and we were so in love. On the 11th day, we are by one of the beaches in Los Angeles at around 2-3 a.m. She asks me if we wanted to go skinny dipping. I say yes, and we go in the water. Within 2 to 3 seconds, we both couldn't feel the floor and were dragged 30-40 yards deep inside the ocean by a riptide and drifting further and further. I was also a cigarette smoker at the time, but I miraculously swam back and was able to hang on to some rocks. GF also made it back. I was pretty traumatized and out of breath. I really thought that was it, but miraculously made it back. She didn't seem too panicked. After researching it more, it looks like swimming diagonally against the current is what saved us. Fortunately, there was some big rocks at shore, and that's what we swam to. If we swam straight against the current, we would have drowned. Whenever I think of that story, I always wonder how life would have been if one of us didn't make it. Like, one of us had to have been charged with murder or something. Not to mention the guilt, etc. Or we could have both died that night.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. If you guys are curious about how we made this, check out the full tutorial on our channel. See you there. Thank you.